I have absolutely been loving the crop top thing that is in right now. And today I'm going to show you a super easy hack to turn any t-shirt into a really awesome crop top. Hey guys, welcome to My Epic Motherhood. My name is Katie. I'm a mom of 6 and I've been married for 13 years. I was born in Texas and lived overseas for about 10 years, and now I'm back in Texas and I make lifestyle videos here on YouTube. If you want to follow along, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you find this video helpful, if you could hit the like button, I would really appreciate it. I have absolutely been loving the crop top thing that is in right now. And today I'm going to show you a super easy hack to turn any t-shirt into a really awesome crop top. This is super easy. You don't need any fancy equipment, just scissors. And the other thing that I like about this is that it's actually really sustainable, because the way that I've gotten most of my crop top t-shirts is I just go to a thrift store and look through the men's t-shirts, and they often have some super cute like graphic tees. They're not as expensive as the women's. I think I got this one for like $3, and you can get some really fun stuff, and then you just crop it off and it's super cute, and it's like my new favorite comfortable summer thing to wear. So it's so easy that I don't even feel like I need to make a video about it, but yet I like use it all the time. So I wanted to share with you guys. So the first way that I want to show you is to actually put on the pants that you want to wear with it. The best kind of pants for this are the high-waisted ones, because if you don't have the high-waisted ones, then your crop shirt's going to come up and your belly is going to show. I got these awesome high-waisted pants from a garage sale. They're actually men's jeans, and they're stiff, there's no stretch, and they're very 90s. But it's super fun, and they work perfectly with crop shirts. So what you can do is put on the jeans that you're gonna wear, and then take the shirt that you wanna crop, put a little pin mark on the edge, on the side, and kind of mark where you want to crop it, and then where you want it to hit, and then you're gonna cut a little bit lower than that, because the t-shirt will roll up. So that's kind of the first way I wanted to show you. The second way is even easier. Move, buddy. Bilbo, move. My dog wants to help. Hi, Bilbo. So once you've done the first technique, or if you have a crop shirt that you already really like, you can use that shirt as a template to crop your new tee. So super helpful, Bilbo. Thank you. Hi. Okay, watch out. Boop. There you go. What is up with you? Bilbo, you are being so helpful. Thank you. You silly boy. You so silly. I like the length of this crop shirt. So what I'm going to do is cut the new shirt, and I'm going to cut it a little bit lower than the actual edge of the crop shirt that I use, because as you can see with the t-shirt material, it's going to roll up. So you don't want to cut it and then have it roll up and be this short, because then you'll really have a belly shirt, and that's probably not what you want. So the other thing that I'm going to do is, as I cut along the edge, I'm going to try and make sure that I cut a straight line so that I don't have these little, I'll show you, because if you catch the fabric like this, you're going to create a little thing right here. It's not a huge deal because it's going to roll up, but it's just easier if you have a smooth line. The other thing that I'm going to do is, after I get about halfway across, I'm going to fold this edge over, and I'm going to line up these two ends right here. I'm going to make sure that it's even, so that I know that I'm cutting off the same amount here as I am here. So I kind of folded it a little too soon. All right, so now it's cropped. All right, this was a paint shirt, so it's a little painted, but I might splatter some more paint on it to make it not look stained, but look intentional. And there you go. That is it. That is how you crop a t-shirt. So if you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. If you want to see more things like this, let me know in the comments below. I really want to make videos that you guys want to see, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.